Hey yo, I was on the plane with the wine. You could call me Whitley, I go to hell, man. Listen, the baddest in school, the baddest in the game. Excuse me, honey, but nobody's in my lane. When you was in New York, you was fucking a Yankee. I was fucking with bass, I was pushing the Frankie. These bitches so cranky, give them a hanky. My mommy, I'm cold, give me my blankie. Flyer than a kite, I get higher than a pencil. Keep the snow white, I can buy it by the bundle. Fuck your cookies up before they crumble. Won't be acting like the Cardinals gon' bumble. Oh, I'm a stealer, fresh it out the dealer. All the dope boys gon' feel her. Flow so sick, I need a healer. Fuck this money, my concealer. I be out in pretty time, back and forth. Beat the wheelers, I'm a big deal. That's why I get more head than a big tail. Put the bench, I'm getting the munchies. I think I have a rap bitch by my untie. You think the niggas bitch, shame my shoes. You know I keep a bad bitch, let me sing your boo. I'm the only thing hopping like a kangaroo. I mean the only thing hopping like a can of brew. Listen, you should run a 16 cause I write it good. The 808 woof cause I write it good. And bitches can't find a man cause I write it good. I'm no old pervert that I write it good. The 808 woof cause I write it good.